JD Cap 26 there to do the tips for your viewers and hobbies. And we've got Godzilla from Polar Lights. And we just made him up. Kinda not too bad to do. We did do the seams with some compound putty because it does need some compound work. And showing you all the parts there. He's got pins on the feet to go into the base. The base I'll show you is down here. There's the cat. Show you the cat. Say hi. And there's the base. And a bunch of buses and trolley cars. Look at the size of that box. Big box. So we're going to be painting this up. And there's a close-up of his face. And we'll see him being painted. The result of being painted. So stay tuned. We're back here and we're going to mix some paint for this guy right here. And we'll do that next. So we got some green gray here, and we're going to make some green gray. We got some green here we're going to start with. I'm going to pour that in right here into the bottle. About, and then I have to put a lot in there. And then I'm going to put some drops of gray in there. I should be wearing my gloves here. We're going to spray that with that and put some gray in here. Just darken it up a little bit. Not much. And take the stirrer here. Mix that in. Then we're going to look at it and see what desired color that we like. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. Still kind of bright. Now we're using the gray. And we might have to use the black to get it a little darker. So let's drop some black in there. Just a little bit. For my reserve. And yeah, that's a little bit better. That's what we want. We want like a grayish green. You know, not a really brilliant green. This little mixer is a great thing to use. Yeah, that's what we want. That matches what we want. So we're going to spray it next. So stay tuned. So we did Godzilla and we painted him up with that greenish, blackish gray paint. And we did his nails. The dinosaur gray. Like so. And here's his face. His teeth and everything. And let me turn him around a little bit. Get a side view. There's a side view. We misted the body. We didn't fully coat. In the seams we fully coated, and we spreaded the paint out from there with the airbrush. I had to use my Aztec airbrush because my other airbrush I had to clean. So I dropped that in the cleaner, the sonic cleaner. And here he is, all done. I'll show you the third part. Third part will be doing the base and the details on the base, the tank and all that, and we'll show you that in another part. So thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate you watching very much, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And like I said, I really need your help at this point in my life, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.